you already know that I'm introducing and reviewing books to you in this channel. So when I hike a wand today, you already know that I'm trying to review a Harry Potter book. So welcome again, wizards and witches, to one and only Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Today I will be reviewing Chamber of Secrets, the second book of the Harry Potter series. So I'll tell you a bit about this book first before reviewing. Also make a note that I won't be reviewing the full book. I will be reviewing some of the main parts of this so that you will get an interest in reading the book. So this is like the second book. It was published soon after the first one. This has quite a lot of chapters and it's really beautiful. Like, good book. You should read it. So let's move on then. I'll tell you the publish. First published in Great Britain in 1998. So after 1997, where the first book, The Philosopher's Stone, was published, this was then published. The first chapter is The Worst Birthday. So after that, you get on with a lot of more chapters, and the last chapter is Dobby's Reward. So I guess there are a few things over here that we could be doing in the end. Yeah. Okay, so let's start the reviewing. So this book starts with Harry having not a very good birthday. So after going on, after being scolded by his uncle and aunt and then being caged inside his room, something really splendid happens to Harry. Ronald Weasley, his best friend, and Fred and George come in what you'd call a flying car and take him away from his uncle's and aunt's house, also dropping Uncle Vernon into the rose bush below. So after going home, of course, they get a good, splendid, as you say, scold from Mrs. Weasley for taking the car away, but of course she doesn't blame Harry for that. After going and meeting Miss Lockhart at the bookshop at Hogsmeade Valley, and after that they go to school again. But something really disturbing happens. Like, Harry starts hearing, like you'd call it, if we normal people hear it, we'll call it like whisperings in our mind. But of course Harry hears the basilisk speaking. After that, Hermione tells Harry that he'd been speaking Parseltongue during the duel with Snape and Lockhart's kids. After going so on, then comes the first petrification. First, there are many petrifications, and after that, like the first one is Mrs. Norris, the cat. After going like this, there are many students also being petrified along with the ghost. So they find that this is all the blaming of Tom Riddle's diary, which Harry gets hold after that. He goes inside the book to the past and finds out that this basilisk is the person who keeps petrifying these people. He goes through the washroom of the old ancient place into the Chamber of Secrets. After going through the Chamber of Secrets, he needs to save Ginny Weasley, Ronald Weasley's younger sister, and also defeat the ghost of Tom Riddle, also you may know as Voldemort. Going like this on and on, they finally defeat the basilisk along with Tom Riddle's ghost. So after doing so, they are taken back to Hogwarts and the end. No, not the end. There are many more things happening. But still, I won't tell you. I'm trying to do this as a mentoring and a review so that you will get the interest to read this. These are really cool books. You can also watch the movies, but I prefer if you read these books since they're better than the movies. So hope you liked today's video, and I will be bringing more videos along with Harry Potter book reviews to you. So bye guys, see you next day. See you later on another video. Subscribe, like, comment, and another new thing, share. Bye bye, Knox.